everywhere I go, I keep a picture in my wallet like you.
Take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got. I'm not much of a girlfriend. I never seem to get a lot.
Si Ate Malay and si Bebe.
Oh, bye, Bebe.
Ayun. Akala ko ano pa rin. Pogi daw, pogi. Pogi daw, pogi.
Ano tower to?
Bebe, happy birthday.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Picture ni Bebe sa contacts ko.
Ate Riva, yung baby niyo po.
Nandiyan pa rin ako.
Baby niyo po.
Lagi po ako nanonood
Punta po
ng
kami sa
vlog
bahay
niyo.
niyo. So, pumakit po si baby.
Kailan? Nakalimutan ko. Miss Riva. Bisaya si Miss Riva.
Sa ibulsa po.
Sobrang isa sa
Ibulsa po namin si Athena. Keychain.
Ate Jo, na kay Bebe lang talaga yan. Na-imagine niyo bang tatawagin ko sa Ate Jo Bebe Jo? Parang nakakabastos, diba? Kasi leader ko siya. Bebe Jo! Para papainumin ko ng gatas. Kaya hindi. Kay Bebe lang bagay ang Bebe.
Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat.
And thank you po sa mga nanood.
Halika sa tabi ko, baby. Gusto ka lang makatabi, Sa'kin ay sumama ka na pauwi. Halika nga, baby, Come on, be closer to me, Kasi ikaw lang, wala nang iba pang gustong makasama. Kaya naman sana lumapit ka na, baby, tara na.
Oh guys, favorite ko yung chicks ni Bebe. Guys, yung chicks ni Bebe, it's so fluffy. I always tell Bebe. Sabi ko, Bebe, you have the fluffiest cheeks. Yeah. Favorite ko yung chicks ni Bebe. It's so fluffy. Tsaka favorite ko pag ginaganon ko yung chicks ko sa kanya. Ang lambot talaga ng chicks niya, guys.
Slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute. The feeling in it. Slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing. She keeps on going. Slipping through my fingers all the time.
They're not gonna fear what you prefer. I know you playing games, I know that's how it works. The first girl that I love, first girl that I heard. I'm calling out for Jennifer, ain't calling out for her. I'm calling for you, Jennifer.
Salaw sa Kapaguen, hindi. What's mine is mine. Ganun ako.
I'm a very, tawag dito, ay naselosa and gusto ko what's mine is mine. And
Hindi, baby, sista ako? So? Ay, wala naman, hindi naman kita pwede makapartner. Wala naman. Sista ako? Tatampo ako. Sista ako.
why would I share him with other girls? Baka sapak po yung babae yun eh. Pero
You to a room and you leave it up too soon. Play just like a trick, 'cause you let 'em hit. Now it's coming home to a lover that is wrong.
Kung pipiliin na ibigin, sasaya ka sa aking piling. Maalagaan kung kailangan, sasayaw ka na dahan-dahan. Huwag nang isipin ang mundo at tumingin ka lang sa mata ko.
On the wings of love, baby, love's the only way to fly. It's on the wings of love. 'Cause this is the moment that you make me feel like easy love. Có cònเธอถามว่าเราจะได้เป็นแฟนกันไหม อีกแล้วที่หนูทำให้พี่หวั่นไหวพี่คงจะอยู่ไม่ได้แล้วไม่มีหนูคนนี้คงนอนไม่ค่อยจะหลับขอหาสักทีได้ไหมตัวใจที่รู้มีเวลาก็คิดถึงอีกนะคิดถึงเราที่สุดจะอยู่ตัวเองยังไงก็ไม่ไหว
You think for me? Fun fact about you, baby.
It's not right to be hellish. I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful. Anybody wants a taste? That's why. I still get jealous.
The boy is mine. I can't wait to try him. Let's get intertwined. The stars they align.
Dapat ko more. Ikaw ito maglalaga ng lahat. Ikaw ang nahuli. Kaya kailangan ang lori kay Gwen. Siya na maglalabas. Ganda.
And down with the smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. But only if you listen to me. Come inside of my heart. If you're looking for answers, look at these stars. Come a little bit faster. And she walks down. I noticed how she does it for real now. And she talks out. She's telling me what I wanna hear now. I gotta let you go.
What if I told you that I've fallen? And I like the way you say my name. Now you playing truth or dare. Are you playing truth or dare? Tell me. Now you playing truth or dare.
Ano? Yun lang. After the show. Hindi, na-meet namin yung mga ibang big boss talaga. Saka yung mga big boss, saka yung may-ari ng PBS. Tsaka ano? Nalibre kami guys. Sobrang
saya kasi may ice cream arcade kasi, tapos may suntukan. Ay, after party pa pinag-usapan. Ay, ano to? Ano ba? Oo. After pa. Nakalaro ni Ate Aya si Miss Ann Curtis. Nakasumpukan. Nakasumpukan niya, guys. Hindi, may paano kasi kasi doon yung baka games. Arcade. Yung nagpungin na hindi naman dapat pwede.
Di ba sabihin ang hindi mo maamin? Ipaubayan na
Kiss.
kasi ayaw nito. The only exception you are.
Kiss me again.
Only exception.
My bebe, she's the softest, sweetest human being. Sa kanya ako pinaka-clingy. Yung pagka-clingy ko kay Ate Gwen. Ito yung talagang kay Ate Jo, malibili ako.
Malayo tanging ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin. What's your secret to facial?
A secret?
Yeah. What's the technique?
Do it that way.
My strength is just, no.
You said it again, my heart's in motion. Every word feels like a shooting star. I'm at the edge of my emotions, watching the shadows burning in the dark.
My strength is just, no.